Hello DB besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making something very fun, and that is we're gonna personalize these bags with UV DTF, because every time Jesse and I are on live, we struggle to think of things you can make with UV DTF that are not cups. And I've had these for a long time. I haven't known what to do with them. I know this one has lobsters on it, but my daughter loves lobsters. We're gonna personalize the back with an Easter themed monogram. And then we're gonna do this little popsicle bag for my son, and we're gonna make it Eastery. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And while we craft with UV DTF, I'm gonna tell you a few things you might not have known about purchasing DTF or UV DTF with us at dtfprinter.com. Let's get into it. Okay, welcome to the little daybed couch in my office. We're gonna start here today, because first we have to cut out our design. So this is a huge Easter pack that we did, and I love that it has these Easter letters on it, and that's what we're going for today. So I'm gonna cut out an H for Hallie and an H for Henry that we're gonna use for our project. So I see a little blue one that I like. I'm gonna go get it. Should I do their full names or should I just do the H? I smell coffee. Somebody just made coffee. Now I want it. H. Let's see. Okay, wait, I have to think this through. Or wait, look at this truck that has the eggs in the back of it. What if we just did that, but we don't do the words with it because we don't have room for the words? That might be the move, you guys. Cutting off the words. Sorry, words. I don't have room for you today. But look at that. That's cute, right? But now that I've thought about that as an option, is there anything else that I like that I could do that with? I don't think so. Let's get the other H that we need. While we're doing that, I have to tell you, one of my favorite things about buying UV DTF and DTF from dtfprinter.com that you might not know is that you don't have to build your own gang sheet. We actually have pre-made gang sheets that you can buy anytime on dtfprinter.com, both UV and regular DTF. We have evergreen bundles. You can buy them anytime you want. So if you're not in the mood to make your own gang sheet and upload your own designs, you don't have to. You can go shop our pre-made bundles, and I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, so we're gonna do this H for Hallie, and we're gonna put it on her little lobster one. How cute is that? And then on Henry's, I was gonna do this H, but then I got distracted by this truck. And I just think that's really cute. Even though it'll kind of have to be like this, I still think it's really cute, and I'm gonna do it. Okay, so let's start with Hallie's bag. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel away the backing from this decal. If you've never used UV DTF before, good news. You probably have used something very similar, and that is a sticker. All UV DTF is just a fancy, very durable sticker. So one thing about UV DTF that you might not know is that it's super durable. You can even put this through the dishwasher and it ain't going nowhere. So once you stick it down, you better be ready because it's staying there. H. I messed it up almost. So then you want to press it down firmly. You can use your hands or you can use a squeegee for this. And then all you have to do is peel away the backing layer. So it's just like applying transfer tape to any other thing that you would use. Woo, got it. Okay, there she is. So cute. So I'll show you the final product at the end. I kind of wish I had put an H over the lobsters, but alas, we did not do that. So that's okay. Maybe next time. All right, let's do our popsicle bag next. So again, we're just going to put our little truck right over top here. I think I'm going to do it I can't decide whether I want it to be straight up and down like that or kind of crooked. But once again, it's gonna be a game time decision, and that's fine. Peel away your backing. Sometimes that's the hardest part, just getting it to do that. Okay, I want it to be vertical. I decided right there in the moment. Placing it on, and then we're gonna peel away the transfer tape. If anything, when I'm using cheap blanks like I'm using today, it's more about making sure the transfer tape itself doesn't rip your product. Woo, gotcha. Easy peasy. Personalized little Easter themed bags for the kiddos. Popsicle truck. And this little bag for Hallie with the little H. So cute. let's hop over to the computer really fast because I want to show you a couple things you might not have known about ordering DTF on DTF printer before we wrap up this video. Okay, so those designs that I just made, so this little guy, the little H with the Easter eggs for Hallie's bag, and the little truck with the Easter eggs for Henry's bag, these were part of a bundle that we offered for one of our DTF dollar events. So the whole gang sheet was Easter themed. There was tons to choose from, lots of UV DTF in that bundle, and I will be using it for other projects. However, you might be thinking, well, I can't buy that bundle anymore, so what could I get that's Easter themed? Here's my answer for you. Number one, as I talked about just a second ago, you can buy pre-made gang sheets on dtfprinter.com. So you can go right here. There's tons of pre-made gang sheets already in there that you can purchase, or you can make your own gang sheet. And that's what I really want to highlight today is the build your own gang sheet feature on dtfprinter.com. When you go here, you can upload your own images to make DTF gang sheets or UV DTF gang sheets. And we have some really cool like behind the scenes tools working for you to make sure you are saving as much money as you possibly can and getting the best quality images. And a lot of people don't know that we do that. So I want to make sure I tell you about it as part of this video because I think it's super crazy and super awesome. So let's make a very quick Easter design that we would use for UV DTF, and let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna hop over to Design Bundles. I'm logged into my Plus membership. You're gonna wanna be logged in for this because we're gonna be using Easy Edits, which a lot of you ask about Easy Edits, and I'm gonna show you how cool it is. You do need a Plus membership for this, so if you don't have a Plus membership, start that free trial so you can work along with me. But I'm gonna go to the Plus library, and then I'm going to click on Easy Edits. And Easy Edits is our template-based SVG and PNG creator. So it's just a couple clicks for you to customize really cool graphics and SVGs that you can then use in all of your projects. So if you don't like starting with a blank page or you don't want to start from scratch, this is for you. So let's do, I love a bookish one, I have to admit. So we're gonna do that one. We're gonna open this booked one, this bookish one, this Eastery book one. Okay, so let's edit the text. You can actually do it just by double clicking it and typing in what you want right here. And I'm gonna type in booked and busy, because I think that's cute. And then you can move it around, you can change the color of it, you can make it bend or wavy, you can give it an outline, you can give the whole thing an outline. There's lots you can do to play with this, but the joy of Easy Edits is you could also just be done. It's that simple. So feel free to continue customizing to your heart's content, or feel free to be done. We're gonna be done. So I'm gonna go to Save and Download. I'm gonna call this Booked and Busy, and I'm gonna download it as a PNG. I'm gonna make it as big as I possibly can so that it's great quality for dtfprinter.com, but I'm gonna show you a trick for that in a second. And we're gonna download it. Let's go back and make one more because I want a couple options for my gang sheet here. We're gonna do this beehive one also. I'm gonna pick it up and move it so it's in the center of my screen. I'm gonna go to my layers. I'm gonna grab my text layer here and put my name in it. And let's download that one. Let's make it really big. I'm not even gonna rename that one. Then let's go back again and get one more. We'll do this little bunny one. Go to my layers, grab my text layer, double click. We'll make this one for Hallie because it's just like a cute little bunny. And once again, PNG, make it big, download. Okay, we've got 3 designs now. Let's head over to dtfprinter.com where we were starting our gang sheet. I'm gonna upload those 3 that I just made, ta-da. And you can see they're gonna upload, and then DTF Printer is going to automatically nest them on a gang sheet for me. So the reason why that is so awesome is because if you've used other gang sheet creators, you have to manually put them on the gang sheet where you want them, and you end up spending a lot of time and usually a lot of money trying to create the most optimal placement, where we have a piece of software that does it for you. So we're gonna give you the most optimal nesting of your sheet to save you money and save you inches on your gang sheet, which is amazing. A little hack I have for you is if I go over here to like look at the price of it, and it's telling me, oh, because these are huge. It's printing these as like 15 inches. I was like, wait a minute. So these are gigantic, you would not want this, but it's printing these huge. So it's telling me this is gonna be like a 41-inch gang sheet. It's gonna be $46. Let's make this smaller actually. Let's say these are gonna be keychains. Okay, so now it's gonna be $33. And I'm like, okay, well maybe if I did 2 keychains. Now I go look at it, the price didn't change. And the reason for that is because it hasn't started a new row on the gang sheet. It's filling up that row. So never just go check out, add another small item, maybe a few, and see if your price doesn't change. Keep doing that until the price bumps up, and that's when you know you've hit a new row on your gang sheet. And once you've hit a new row on your gang sheet, then go back one, and that's getting the most out of your money with your gang sheets. So that's just like a little hack for you. It's taking a lot because these are tiny little keychains. Still hasn't started a new row. Okay, how many keychains can we fit in a row for Pete's sake? It's probably nesting them between these other like giant ones. There it goes. So it was nesting them between the larger designs, I think. But that's how well this tool works, is it's gonna nest them anywhere it can to save you money. So I literally got up to like 70 keychains before the price went up. And another thing you just saw me do there is the quick product select, which I love this feature. It allows you to take commonly made items with UV DTF and have it just automatically sized for that. So I can change the size here to make different things. I can change the quantity, or if you know exactly the size that you want, you can go to advanced size settings and type in how many inches wide you want it to be, and it will lock the parameters for you. The other thing you probably didn't know that our site does is this new little feature down here. Always have this toggled on, because what this little beauty is gonna do is it's going to auto upscale the image that you uploaded to the highest possible quality for printing. So if you are ever like concerned if your picture is gonna be the clearest quality, we can enhance your image so you can get better, sharper print results, and we'll enhance it up to 4 times its original resolution, and it only costs you $1. So I highly recommend that, especially if you're not sure about the quality of your image or whether it's gonna be sharp enough. The most annoying thing is ordering UV DTF and then getting it in the mail and it looks fuzzy because your image was too small. So I highly recommend doing this. It's only $1 per image and you get great results every single time. So that's making your own gang sheets with a DTF printer. At that point, I could literally just go check out and I would have my products shipped to me. We usually ship products within 48 hours, and you can make so much fun stuff with DTF and UV DTF. Obviously, these are just silly little things for my kids, but UV DTF and DTF are gonna be your new best friends. So without further ado, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay crafty out there, friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or feel free to comment on any of our social media channels. We're watching and we're there to answer your questions. But until next time, happy start of Easter crafting, and we'll see you again soon. Bye, friends.